Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your Samsung account email and password, and make sure two-factor authentication is accessible. Install Samsung Smart Switch on the PC, or open Samsung Cloud in a browser if supported. Smart Switch handles device restores more reliably. Connect the phone with a USB cable, select File Transfer on the device, and allow any permissions. Once done, open the Smart Switch app and sign in with the same Samsung account. This establishes the link needed to locate backups and begin the restore process. Now navigate Smart Switch to the Restore tab and let it scan for backups tied to your account and device model. You'll see backup timestamps. Pick the most relevant one, then choose data types to bring to the PC or device: contacts, messages, photos, apps, and system settings. Make sure to preview transfer sizes so you don't exceed disk space. If needed, deselect bulky media to save time. Once you confirm selections, click Restore and monitor progress. Smart Switch shows per category completion, which helps track issues early. To finish, validate that contacts, photos, and app data appear where expected. Open the Contacts app and file folders and test a few restored apps. If something didn't transfer, first retry the restore. Switch USB ports and use an OEM cable because flaky connections cause corruption. Make sure the Samsung account is still signed in and synced. If problems persist, clear Smart Switch cache, reinstall the app, or export the backup to local storage, then reattempt. These steps resolve most sync and permission-related failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.